One major cause of rape, incest, distraction, failure in examination, sexual harassment. Have you observed the fitted or short school uniform female students in public and private schools wear? It is unfortunate that indecent dressing has become more rampant among secondary school students. As such, it exposes them to so many dangers. Few know about it, but to many it is unknown to them. For better understanding, indecent dressing simply means offensive, distasteful, improper, unseemly, immoral way of dressing. The act of indecent dressing has grown to be what I describe as poor parenting, lack of good teaching on morals and dressing in churches and schools. 99.9% of female students can't sit well with their legs closed even in church or at home, how much more in class when their pastor or parent are not there? When they stand you can see their knees and even laps, which is the beginning of a private part. Yet parents allow their female children go to school in such school uniform, and tomorrow they will be angry that their female children are raped, etc. Most female students are walking, standing and sitting pornography. This is one of the root cause of lust and masturbation for men who have not had the surgery of the mind. During my time in secondary school it was not so. During my time even SS3 female students can't or hardly wear such fitted clothes, but a primary school child wears such. Who are the parents making such school uniform for these children? These are some of the causes of early pregnancy, abortion, diseases, sex, masturbation, lust, rape, incest and so on. Every time I see what parents wear their female children I just shake my mind, because I know clearly what that will lead to. I used to worry each time I see women dress indecently, especially Christian mothers and their female children. One day my creator asked me, "Professor, why are you bordering yourself? What did I send you here to do?" And I answered, "To help stop sexual sins." And he said, "Tell me one of the strategy I gave you concerning that." I said, "To teach women, especially Christian women, how to dress and sit." Then he said, "Whether they are pastors or not, they don't know what indecent dressing truly is. That is why their female children wear such even under their roof. That is why I have made you to know and to help them out." Since then, whenever I see Christians dress indecently, I just assume they don't know what they are doing.